kitchen. Well, if you're like me and my family and you love donuts, but you're on the path to healthier eating, then try this recipe. It's for chocolate Lamington donuts, which are of course baked and not fried, and using healthier ingredients than you get in your average donut. I've got a cup of whole wheat spelt flour. Spelt flour is about the same carbohydrate as wheat flour, but it is a lot more nutritious and slightly lower GI. So I got a cup of that into the blender. I have half a cup of cacao powder. You could use cocoa, but cacao is less refined and has a lot more nutrients. And as you've heard me talk about before, chocolate is a very healthy ingredient. And a third of a cup of coconut sugar, a lower GI sugar than regular processed sugar. So it has more nutrition and is a little more healthier. Also going to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon. And cinnamon is a great spice if you have diabetes because it lowers blood sugar. So a little cinnamon every day is very good for you. Just put in 1 teaspoon. Let's see. Put in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, that's the dry ingredients. I'm just going to blend them very quickly. So that's the dry. Now we're going to do the wet ingredients. So I have 1 flax egg, which is 1 tablespoon of flax to 3 tablespoons of water. So you just leave it to set. Goes to a egg-like consistency. So that just goes in. Teaspoon of vanilla and half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of almond milk. So now I'm just going to blend that, and you just blend it quickly till it's combined. You don't need to overmix it. So now we just have a donut batter here. I'm just going to put the mixture into this donut pan. You could use obviously like cupcake or muffin pans, but the appeal is in the shape, so I would use the donut pan. Ready for the oven. That mixture makes about 6 fairly medium to large donuts. I'm going to bake it in the oven, which I've preheated to 180 degrees, and it should take about 10 minutes. So now we're going to make a chocolate coating for the donuts while they're cooking. I've got here cacao butter, which is the vegetable fat of the cacao bean, and I'm just going to melt that. You can buy this in most health food stores or some supermarkets. So we'll just melt that over a low heat. Make sure it's a low heat so it doesn't burn. So that's melted now, we can turn the heat off. Now we're just going to add a tablespoon of coconut sugar, half a cup of cacao powder, a teaspoon of coconut syrup, three teaspoons of vanilla, and a couple of teaspoons of coconut oil. Now, just going to mix this all together until it's smooth and glossy. So there we have it, a chocolate sauce, which is going to be a coating for the donuts. Right, that's done now. I've probably overfilled them a little because they've puffed up quite a lot. So you could actually get more out of this mixture if you fill the tins a bit less. So I'm just going to cool those for about 10 minutes now. After that, I'll do the icing. Okay, so I've just taken the donuts out of the oven and cooled them for 10 minutes and taken them out of the tin. So now we're just going to ice them with the chocolate icing we made before. So basically just spoon the icing over, or dip the whole donut in if you wish, it's easier. And just coat as much as you like. And then we're just going to use some shredded coconut and just sprinkle it on. And just set it over here. And just keep going with all the others. So there you have my chocolate Lamington donuts ready to eat. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.